The journey of fighter robots began decades ago with simple automated machines designed for reconnaissance and logistics support. Over the years, as artificial intelligence and robotics technologies advanced, these machines evolved from support roles to combat-ready systems capable of engaging enemies. Early concepts like drones have paved the way for the development of ground, aerial, and underwater robots, all equipped for battle. These robots are now becoming autonomous, capable of decision-making in real time, reducing human risks on the battlefield while increasing the military's overall effectiveness. The evolution of American fighter robots has been shaped by these innovations. Let's start by talking about ground-based fighter robots. One of the leading systems in this category is the Multi-Utility Tactical Transport, or MUT. This robot is designed to carry heavy payloads, scout dangerous terrains, and assist soldiers in combat. Next on the list is the MARS robot, or Modular Advanced Armed Robotic System. Armed with machine guns and grenade launchers, MARS is capable of offensive strikes while also providing reconnaissance. This machine is one of the U.S. military's most reliable ground combat robots. These robots are crucial for ground operations, offering flexibility in combat while keeping soldiers at a safe distance. Another notable development is the Robotic Combat Vehicle, RCV, a more autonomous system designed to work alongside human soldiers, offering heavy firepower on the battlefield. These ground-based robots have changed the way the U.S. military engages in combat, offering increased safety, firepower, and reconnaissance capabilities. Moving on to aerial fighter robots, or drones, which are probably the most well-known type of unmanned combat vehicles. One of the most powerful aerial drones in the U.S. arsenal is the MQ-9 Reaper. Equipped with Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs, the MQ-9 Reaper can engage targets from great distances with precision strikes. Its ability to loiter over battlefields for extended periods makes it a critical asset in modern warfare. Another cutting-edge development is the Loyal Wingman drone, part of the Skyborg project. The Loyal Wingman is designed to fly alongside manned aircraft, providing support and engaging targets. What sets this drone apart is its autonomy. While it can be controlled by pilots, it also has AI that allows it to make decisions in real time. These aerial combat drones provide unmatched support in terms of surveillance, target acquisition, and direct engagement, reshaping air combat strategies for the U.S. military. Next, let's dive into maritime combat robots. While less well-known than ground and aerial systems, underwater combat robots play a key role in naval operations. The Sea Hunter, developed by DARPA, is one such system. This unmanned ship can track enemy submarines, navigate autonomously across the seas, and provide reconnaissance for naval fleets. Its ability to operate without human crew for extended periods gives the U.S. Navy an edge in intelligence gathering and anti-submarine warfare. Another advanced system is the Orca Extra Large Unmanned Underwater Vehicle, XLUUV. This massive underwater robot is designed for long-range missions and can be armed with torpedoes and other payloads, making it a powerful asset for both offensive and defensive operations at sea. These maritime robots are revolutionizing naval combat, providing surveillance, strategic offensive capabilities, and protection from unseen threats beneath the water's surface. Looking into the future, America's fighter robots will continue to evolve, integrating artificial intelligence, autonomous decision-making, and advanced weaponry to dominate modern and future battlefields. The U.S. military is already exploring the potential of swarms, groups of robots that can work together autonomously to overwhelm enemy defenses. These systems will be used in conjunction with traditional military assets to enhance capabilities on land, in the air, and at sea. As AI continues to advance, these machines will become more efficient and autonomous, potentially reducing the need for human involvement in high-risk situations. The fighter robots of tomorrow will be faster, smarter, and more lethal than ever before. The future of warfare is rapidly changing, and America's fighter robots are leading the charge. From ground-based machines like Mars and Mutt to aerial drones like the MQ-9 Reaper, and even underwater systems like the Sea Hunter, these robots are transforming the battlefield, keeping soldiers out of harm's way while delivering maximum impact. As technology advances, these machines will only get more powerful, shaping the next generation of warfare. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in military technology.